Hello guys, this is Jeffron, and on to this video we are going to install LAMP stack on our Ubuntu. So for the tutorial I'm using Ubuntu 18.10. If you are using anything else, then no problem, it will work on that too. It should be Linux because we are installing LAMP stack, and Apache 2. MySQL, will be installing the latest MySQL, that is 5.7 as of this tutorial time, and the PHP will be 7.2. Okay, and for the bonus we're going to install the PHP My Admin too, just so that it will be easier for you to control the MySQL. So let's go ahead and open the terminal. To open the terminal you can go ahead and type terminal, and you can also press Alt, Control and T on your PC to open the terminal. Okay, if you are new to the Linux or the Ubuntu mainly. So I'll just make it a little bit larger. First let's install a PPA by Ondrej. Okay, for PHP, enter your password. I'll write every command down into the description in a file and in the description too, so that it will be easier for you to run the command on your computer. So once the PPA is added, we are going to update the package list. So type sudo apt-get update y. So this will update the package list on your PC. That worked fine. Some fails, we don't worry about that. So let's install Apache 2. So before installing Apache 2, go to your Firefox and check whether the Apache 2 is installed or not. So to check it, it's very easy. Just open the Firefox. My PC is running slow. Maybe this is the first time I'm opening the Firefox. Okay, now the Firefox is open. Go ahead and type localhost on your Firefox or whatever the browser you have right now, and you will be welcome to this page. Unable to connect because Apache is currently not installed on your PC. So we're going to install Apache now. So let's go ahead and type sudo apt-get install Apache 2. Okay, and press Y. So this will install Apache 2 on your Ubuntu. It might take a little bit of time. So now that the Apache 2 is installed on your PC, go again to the Firefox and restart it. Okay, so you'll be welcome to this Apache 2 page now. So this means your Apache 2 is properly installed. If you face any problem, you can comment down on the video down there. And if you want to read more about Ubuntu, go ahead and read this. So this, by default, this will be the default HTML page loaded, which is this page. It will be located in var.html. If you want to know more about this, you can go ahead and read all these stuffs, these configuration setups. Okay, so we'll move on to the tutorial. We have the Linux ready, Apache 2 ready. Now we're going to install MySQL. So to install MySQL, go to the command line and type sudo apt-get install mysql server, and she'll install all of this: MySQL core, MySQL client, etc, etc. Press Y and enter. Okay, so now that the MySQL is installed, you can type sudo mysql. So this will show you the MySQL on your PC. So right now you can check from this command that you can use auth socket for using the MySQL. What is meant by auth socket is, if you have to do sudo mysql to open the MySQL. Okay, you cannot do like mysql-user root password and whatever first. This should not allow it because it will require auth socket. So we are going to make MySQL use username and password for a root user also. To do that, we'll open MySQL first, sudo MySQL. This will open the MySQL, and then we'll type the command again to check whether the root user is in auth socket or not. So now that we confirmed that root user is in the auth socket, we are going to alter it. So for that, I've already written the command. I'm just gonna paste it there. So it will alter the user root on localhost identified with the MySQL native password now. So it will be using MySQL native password now. So to check that, you can run the above command again. So now the root user will be using MySQL native password. So then you have to do plus privileges to reset all the privileges on your MySQL. If you don't do this, then you're going to run into some big problems, I think. Okay, they should not be underscore. Now that we have done that, we are going to exit it from here. Now type MySQL user root, password will be root. Yes, there we are. MySQL is properly set up now. Then we'll go ahead and install PHP Myadmin. Was that on your list? Okay, we are going to install PHP first, sorry. So to install PHP, you just have to type sudo apt-get install PHP. We're going to install PHP 7.2, the latest one. And yes, so this will install all the PHP required files. I think. So after completing this, we are going to install. I forgot to install that before. Uh, that was, I think, lib Apache 2 mod PSP. I think this was the right one. Okay, sudo apt-get install lib Apache 2 mod PSP. Okay, and we have to install PHP 7.2 MySQL so that we can communicate with it. Okay, and I think with that your PHP is ready to go. You can run any PHP project now, and let's check whether PHP is working properly or not. Let's do it a traditional way. Okay, so we are going to override this index.html file over here. Let's go to var www.html and just remove this index.html, and we're going to create another one, index.php, just to check whether our PHP is working or not. So I've edited this on vi. So to edit on vi, you press I. Now you can write on it. So I'm going to do php write php info. Okay, press esc and wq :wq to write. Okay, you can use all the text editor if you like, whatever you want. So now the index.php is set up. We're going to this again and restart it. You will be welcome to this page. So here you can find everything about your PHP, and you can go ahead and read all of this if you want. So now that the PHP is working and running like a Forrest Gump, we are going to install now PHP My Admin, because I'm not going to type this again and again, will you? So databases, are you going to do that? No. So let's go ahead and install PHP My Admin. So to do that, type sudo apt-get install php my admin. I haven't secured the MySQL on this one because this is for local deployment purpose and not for the server. So if you want to know how the MySQL is secured, that's just one command. It's not a big deal. I'll help you. You can just comment down on the video, or I'll make another video for that because there are lots of stuffs I have to tell about security on PHP and blah blah. So Apache 2 is selected, press enter, and it may ask about db configure. We'll talk about it if it asks. Okay, triggered one man. Yeah, configure database for PHP Myadmin. Yes. Application password. I'll go with a root, and now your PHP My Admin is installed. Localhost / php my admin. Tada! This is not working because I think with the latest PHP we have this problem. Yeah, there's no PHP here. So let's see whether our PHP is properly installed or not. Let's user share PHP My Admin. Yeah. So C D E F G H I J K L M N O P G H I. Yeah, there is the index file. We want this to be launched when we type this on our browser. So the fastest way I think I can pull off is just link it to the HTML directory. So to do that, let's link it to the HTML directory. Sudo ln yes, will link user share php my admin to var html. So let's go to var html. Now the php my admin is over here. We can access it from here too. Okay, our php my admin is now working. Let's type our credential root. So it's working fine. Let's see. Let's see users were mysql user. Okay, parameter must be an array or object to implement countable. Okay, this is error related to old php my admins. So if you want to install the old php my admin, then I found a regex which will do all those bad stuffs in just one command. You can just copy it from the code below and execute it. Okay, I have it somewhere. Okay, copied it. So just type this. So what it will do is it will find the file. It is a regex to find this file, and here it will search for this one, and it will put the array parenthesis on it. So now the problem should be resolved. Let's open a user again. So this time no errors. That's fine. So the php my admin is working properly now. So let's see whether we did everything properly. So Linux, we already have it, Apache 2, MySQL, and PHP, and the PHP My Admin too. So with that, the tutorial is completed. If you have any questions, you can comment down on the video. And if you want to know how to secure PHP MySQL, sorry, then you can just type this command sudo uh, secure MySQL installation. I think this was the command. No. Installation. I think sudo secure MySQL installation. There was no typo. There was no typo on my command. If you want to make the secure installation of this MySQL, then you can just go ahead and type sudo MySQL secure installation. So enter the password for the root. Yeah, it is root. Yes, I want to go with a low security because I don't care what happens in my computer. Yes, new password will be root. Okay, yes, want to confirm it. The password does not satisfy the current policy. Okay, so we have to go with a very difficult password now. Although I have selected a very weak password, estimated password in. Okay, I'll just type 123 root capital R. Yes. No, it is not taking because I have to provide a heavily secured one. That's why I don't go for MySQL secure installation on local PC. Version 123 root. A lot of trouble, you know. Yes, remove anonymous user. Yeah, login remote is disabled. If you are running this on a local PC, you don't have to worry about the MySQL secure installation. Just go ahead and run it, no problem. So that was about the MySQL secure installation. With that, my tutorial is complete for this video. And if you have any questions, you can just comment down on the video, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.